From your plank position, spread your fingers nice and wide and root down through your hands. Begin to shift your body slightly forward so your shoulders are over your fingertips and so that you come onto your toes. And now slowly bend your elbows, keeping them close to your ribs, lowering halfway down. Move as one steady piece and then push yourself back up. Keep your neck long and your gaze slightly forward. What can sometimes happen is that people bow into the back, coming down with knees first onto the ground. So you're looking to avoid that. As you push your elbows to the back of your mat, you're looking for a right angle at the elbows, keeping yourself steady and strong with an activated core. If you feel like the strength isn't in your upper body to achieve this with control, you can always come down to the knees. When you come down to the knees from plank and avoid stacking the knees underneath the hips in tabletop. All you're doing here is coming to plank and then lowering the knees. Once your knees are lowered, same as before, push your elbows to the back of your mat, keeping them close into your sides, lowering the tops of your feet. If you're moving through a full chaturanga, take your shoulders over your fingertips, keep your core strong, and slowly and smoothly lower your front body down to the ground.